Whenever an object falls toward the earth, an acceleration is toward the earth, an acceleration is evolved. This acceleration is due to the Earth's gravitational force. Therefore, this acceleration is called the acceleration due to the gravity. What is weight? Weight of an object is the force. What is weight? Weight of an object is the force with which it attracts toward the earth. What is weight? Weight of an object is the force with which it is attracted toward the earth. What is weight? What is buoyancy force? The upward force exerted by the water on the object is called buoyancy force or upward. What is buoyancy force? When a body is immersed fully in the fluids, it experiences an upward to the force that is equal to the weight of the fluid. Display by it experiences an upward to the force that is equal to the weight of the fluid. Display by Write the use of Archimedes principle. It is used in designing shape and submarine. Lactometer, which are used to determine the purity of sample of milk, and hydrometer used for determining density of liquid. It is used in designing shape and submarine. Lactometer, which are used in determining on the weight of an object. Why is the weight of an object? Why is the weight of the object? Why is the weight of an object is the 1/6? Its weight on the earth on the weight of an object depends on the gravitational force. As the gravitational force is about 1/6 the weight of the earth on the earth. Why is the weight of an object is the 1/6? Its weight on the earth on the weight of an object depend on the weight of an object depend on the gravitational force. As gravitational force is about 1/6 the weight of the earth. Why is the weight of an object is the 1/6 is weight of the earth? Weight of an object on the weight of an object depends on the weight of an object depends on the gravitational force. As the gravitational force is about 1/6 weight of the earth. On the weight of an object depends on the gravitational force is about 1/6 weight of the object. What is the difference between mass and weight? Mass is the amount of the water contained in the body. Mass is the amount of the water contained in the body. Weight is the force with which its body is attracted toward the earth. When a body is immersed fully in the fluid, It experiences it experiences an upward to the force that is equal equal to the weight of the. What is the difference between mass and weight? Mass is the amount of water contained in the body. Mass is the amount of the water contained in the body. Weight of the force is weight is the force with which is attract toward the weight of the force with which a body is attract toward the earth. Mass is the object remain constant at the place. Mass is the object remain constant at the place. What is buoyancy force? The upward force the the upward force exerted by the water on the object. Why nail sink in the water? Because density of a nail is more than density of water, and hence upthrust is less than gravitational force. Why cork float on water? Because density of cork is less than density of water, and hence upthrust is